It is day 5 and hike number 5. Today in Chalten. That means it's the last one. Last day, last hike. Laguna Torre. I think it's around 12 miles. Stay tuned when the sun comes out. Another planet right now. Crazy. The sun is finally officially out. Good morning. It's a new day. Last day in Chalten. Couldn't ask for better weather. No wind, barely any clouds, no rain. Thank you, universe. Almost there. Wow, that was a good one. The sun feels so good right now. I'm still freezing, my hands are numb, but the sun feels amazing. These are the best conditions to hike this today. The moon's still out, nobody here. I think Chalten has treated me well. It's my last full day in Patagonia and then I'm headed north. But I think the 5 days, 5 hikes in Chalten, 1 town in Patagonia, was a success. But yeah, I would love to know if you have any suggestions on other must-do hikes around here or in Patagonia in general. I do want to come back and travel to Chile and hit up Torre del Paine. I'm just so stoked on the last few days and life's good. I mean, I think so, right? There's a lot going on in the world. But I think just getting away and remembering what we appreciate, remember what we have, the simple things, and just hopefully that good energy radiates to the rest of the world. Of course, it's like not enough. It takes action for positive things to happen. We're all connected that way, and the more we put out good energy, positivity, the more good things happen. Anyway, this is getting long. I'm just gonna focus on heading back now. Thanks for watching.